Hello and welcome back to the Carghost channel. You find me in sunny Las Vegas. Yes, I have a t-shirt, and this right there is the Bellagio, Caesar's Palace, and the Eiffel Tower up there. Now, today I'm gonna go and visit Royalty Exotic Rent Cars. So yeah, wish me luck. I'll go and shoot on the parking lot, and if anything, maybe I'll rent something and we'll go for a ride. But only the title would say it. You know, read it before you watch the video. Alright, we just parked the C300 rental right here. Beautiful color, by the way, burgundy. And we're at Royalty Exotic Cars. Right away you can see the Vanderhau and the Slingshot tricycles right here. They look gorgeous. And then right around, it's a Lamborghini Aventador Spider, a Ferrari 488 Italia, Huracan, and a Bentley luxury car. Now I'm gonna go inside and check what they have inside. Ooh, music infringement. But here we have a Murcielago. And fun fact, Royalty Exotic not only rents cars but also motorcycles. And this Exige has been a long time one of my favorite cars. Well, still is, I guess. There is not a huge selection today because I think it's Monday and they haven't returned all the weekend rentals yet. Let's see what they say on the front desk.
You got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So all the rates are there, or you can look on the website. You have 2 mouses. You have your phone as well. You can look on mobile.
Okay.
And then it's a flat rate. So if you want to drive a 488 Ferrari out front, it's $7.99 for 4 hours.
Okay.
And then are you a U.S. driver?
Yeah.
Do you have full coverage insurance?
I don't, but my card covers it.
We don't accept credit card insurance.
Oh, okay.
Just you have to have pre-existing full coverage car insurance.
Okay. And just like clockwork, we have a twin turbo Huracan coming back in, 458 Italia Spider. We actually sold this exact car yesterday in the Red Rock Canyon. And let's wait for them to pull up. .570S McLaren. GT3 RS. And a Slingshot. Another Slingshot. The selection is much fuller now, and we're gonna go and check the lineup real quick. Oh, we lost the 570S. They go into the back. We'll have the twin turbo Huracan. All those cars are going to a storage location somewhere in the back of the facility. Here, off-site, I found this beautiful Jeep with all the body kit. You can rent this for $349 and you can go off-roading in the Red Rock Canyon. It's perfect for a 4-hour rental. Also, another Slingshot and another Slingshot. Also right here, I'm pretty sure those are not the rentals, but we have a Lotus Elise and a Subaru STI. Look at that 69 Shelby. Let me just see if I can film here. I'm not 100% sure. Hi, is it alright if I film here? Alright, so a very huge bummer. I can't rent the car because I don't have a full coverage on Slate. And if you're planning to come to Las Vegas and rent an exotic car, well, put a full coverage on your insurance, because otherwise you won't be allowed to get it, and it's a huge bummer. I really wanted to, but I can't. So let's take a quick tour around these cars, and then I guess we'll call it a day. Alright, right outside we have a 458 Italia, 488 Spider. I'm so sorry, 488 Spider, beautiful white color. Hardtop convertible. You can see the titanium exhaust in the back, revved. Here you have a Huracan. I believe I saw this in the parking of the Venetian the other day. Bentley Continental GT, a very nice luxury. The top goes down and you're nice and comfortable. Again, the beautiful Aventador Spider. And I believe that's it. I love the look of the Aventador. It is really nice. I wish I could take one of them at least for a spin, but hey, no full coverage. Here are the tricycles. Tricycles are cheaper there, about $200 to rent for 4 hours, and are a great option if you want to go and see the Red Rock Canyon. Road Exotic doesn't have any fees that are hidden unless you are foreign driver license holder. Then you have to pay a little more. But these are a really good option, affordable if you want to say, for a 4-hour rental. Now let's go back in our C300 rental and go along with our day. If you did like today's video, well, if you like my misfortune of not being able to rent an exotic car, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.